In this video, I'll show you how to make your Android status bar smarter and more convenient, and watch it till the end because I'll give you a very valuable life hack. So first of all, you're to open up Play Store and install your Super Status Bar customized application. Great, now let's press open and let's start with it. So keep on, press done. Great. So now to start it, let's press start. First of all, we have to give all the necessary permissions, such as modify settings and accessibility service. Press OK as well. Make sure to enable it. Also, let's check it in download apps. Let's enable it as well. Let's give all the necessary permissions and press OK. Great. Now let's go back. We've added everything, it works. So now we can add many things. Let's press status bar and we can either set up custom or simply press modify. Let's press custom. So we can show our network type in the status bar if we want to. We can also show Bluetooth. And let's enable the custom status bar first of all. So let's give all the necessary permissions. Press OK. Now go back. So the new status bar is enabled. We can see it right here. We can modify it. We can press modify. We can adjust the time, enable or disable some things, which you can see here, right? We can choose its height. We can make it bigger or smaller. We can choose the clock type, the color, right? For example, we can use custom colors. All right, we need to buy premium for that. So you can choose the style, iOS or Android. I'll go with Android, but basically that's how it looks like. And it can be usable. It can be usable. It's adjustable. So I recommend you going through it yourself and choose which options do you need, which options you do not need. But basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.